Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by opening Duolingo and tapping your profile, then the gear to enter settings. Once there, confirm you are logged into the right account so progress stays with you. This avoids losing streaks or saved XP. Make sure to back up or sync progress from settings' right arrow account before changing a course. Now, navigate to the heading labeled Language or Learning Language so you can begin the actual language switch process. You now choose whether to add a new course or switch the current one. Tap Add a new course or the current language item. When you pick the desired language, decide between starting as a beginner or taking a placement test. Placement saves time by skipping known material. If the language appears locked, make sure you're using the correct app version and check Course in Progress options to resume or reset. Once selected, confirm to enroll and download any necessary lessons. You finish by confirming the new language is visible on your home screen and that lessons load properly. Once done, start the first lesson to verify XP and streak behavior. This forces a sync. If lessons fail to appear or your progress seems inconsistent, restart the app and sign out/sign in to trigger resync. If issues persist, take screenshots and contact Duolingo support for conflict resolution so your learning history stays intact.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.